From one of my most favorite human hair wig companies, and that's Unice hair. Y'all know I've been rocking with them for a very long time, so I've been on this kick of finding easy, affordable human hair, and they always fit the bill. If you look in that description box, you see a direct link to this wig, all the details, as well as that subscribe button. Please hit it. All right, so I can't remember what I ordered, but that's cool because y'all know I like to do everything with y'all. All I did was take this out of its shipping packaging. All right, so of course it comes in a hard box, but they always give like so many cute little extras. Okay, so they have a dressing robe with their name on it. Pack of stocking caps, the really thin ones. Actually, they give you 2 packs of those. What else we got in here? Eyelashes, a band with their name on it, as well as a makeup brush with their name on it. Okay, those, like I say every time, those little extras matter to me, even though it's like $5 worth of stuff, because some companies don't give you any extras after you dropped your coins. All right, so this wig that I ordered is 24 inches long and it's water wave. If you are a beginner like me, when you are reaching for human hair and you know you can't comb hair, you need to go for a curl pattern. So water wave is right up my alley because all I have to do is spray that down with some leave-in conditioner and I can be out the door. Okay. They have already laid these baby hairs down too, y'all. That's a beginner string for real, for somebody like me that can't comb hair. Okay, my baby hairs be looking like, you know, teenage hairs, Geritol hairs. Y'all, look at that, straight out the pack. Okay, nothing to cut off. Y'all, that's pretty dope. It's pre-plucked as well. Now that's what I'm talking about. As far as this cap construction you get, that's like a, I'm gonna say a 4x4 right up at the top, but like I said, look in that box. Comb to the right, comb to the left. In the back, you also get a comb with that little adhesive band that makes the back lay flat, as well as that band sewn in. Y'all, but I'm still stuck on how good that looks. If you're a beginner like me, or if not, if like you a wig manipulator, like you just know what to do, that is pretty dope. That's one less thing for you to do, huh? All right, y'all. I am going to put this on my head, spray some water and leave-in conditioner in it, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Be right back. It's not that I want you here. Yeah. It's not the way you say to my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You get away on trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is end up bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You is your way, but we don't really want. I just wanna get away and stay right next to you. You. Y'all know I'm not even a baby hair person, but I cannot lie to you. The way that these baby hairs came pre-laid, that's witchcraft. Also, y'all, all I did was wet it and plop it on my head. This is like Unice. They always take it up a level, right? That is extreme plop on and go. That's pretty dope. If you don't wear baby hairs, of course, you can slide those back or just hot comb them to the back. But if you are a baby hair wearer, like, this is going to be your dream wig. That hairline looks really good to me straight out the pack, y'all. There's nothing done to it. No plucking, no bleaching, no dipping, none of that. That's straight out of the pack. Okay, now, are these baby hairs my deal? No. But do I see all the ladies wearing them like this? Yes. Can I appreciate that Unice Hair did this? Oh, y'all, yes. The hair is also very, very nice. Only thing that's in this bottle is water and leave-in conditioner. And it is such a pretty curl pattern, y'all. This is like essential vacation hair. Okay? Yeah, this is very, 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 very pretty, y'all. I have filmed so much human hair today. Y'all probably seen this white shirt a lot. I can tell you that this is my favorite of the day. And I have gone through 6 human hair wigs. Okay, and this hands down is the last one, and it definitely is the best of the day. I 1000% I 1000% can recommend this one. If you look at the description box, you'll see a direct link to it, as well as the details on this wig. It would be interesting if they have this in any of the curl patterns. Y'all know if they make this in a straight wig, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. So just be prepared to see that soon. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.